Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create a button in Excel that clears cell values but keeps the formatting. Here I have some sample data. We want to clear the values only while keeping things like colors, borders, and font formatting unchanged. Step 1. Enable Developer tab, if not visible. First, go to the ribbon area and right-click anywhere on the tabs. Click on Customize the ribbon. On the right side, you will see a list of tabs. Tick the checkbox for Developer, then click OK. Now the Developer tab will appear in your Excel ribbon. Step 2. Insert VBA code. Go to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. In the Visual Basic window, click on Insert. Then click Module. A new module window will open. Here, type the macro code that clears only values. In my example, the range is from A2 to E6, so the code is written for that specific range. After typing the code, close the Visual Basic window. Step 3. Create the Clear button. Now let's create a button. Go to the Insert tab, Shapes. Select any shape you like. Draw the shape on your sheet and type Clear inside it. You can format the button however you want, change color, font, size, etc. Step 4, assign the macro to the button. Right-click on the button, click on Assign Macro. From the list, select the macro, for example, Clear Value Only. Click OK. Now click anywhere outside the button to exit editing mode. Final result. When you click the Clear button, it will remove all the values from cells A2 to E6, but the formatting, like borders, colors, and alignment, will remain exactly the same. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos.